What is the best position of sink in the kitchen? Dear friends, the position of the kitchen sink plays a big role in comfort, workflow, and even kitchen design. A well-placed sink makes cooking, cleaning, and food preparation easier and more efficient. Many designers believe the best position for a kitchen sink is under a window. This placement gives natural light while washing dishes and creates a pleasant view. It also improves ventilation and makes the kitchen feel more open and fresh. Another important factor is the kitchen work triangle. The sink should be placed between the refrigerator and the stove. This setup creates a smooth flow for cooking and cleaning. You can easily wash vegetables, prepare meals, and move between appliances without wasting time. If you have a kitchen island, installing the sink on the island is also a modern and practical option. It allows better interaction with family or guests while cooking. Island sinks are popular in open-concept kitchens because they improve convenience and style. Avoid placing the sink too close to the stove or at the corner of the kitchen. Tight spaces can make cleaning uncomfortable and reduce countertop workspace. A centered position with enough counter area on both sides works best. In the end, the ideal sink position depends on your kitchen layout, plumbing, and personal cooking habits. A smart sink placement can make your kitchen more beautiful, functional, and comfortable every day. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.